everyone, how are you today? I am back with you to do a math lesson today. It's Monday's math lesson. Are you all ready to learn? So you're going to need a piece of paper, something to write with, and maybe some blocks or Legos if you have them, or magnet tiles, something we can build with, okay? All right, I don't know if you remember, it's been a while, but we've been working on different numbers every day. Do you remember what numbers we've done so far? Should we count them together? We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got all the way to 7. Do you remember what they look like? Let's look at Miss Victoria's Lego, and I want you to see if you can guess what number we're going to be working on today. Okay, so we have our number 1. Very good. Okay, what about this one, friends? 2. That's right. So let's build 1, 2. If you have some blocks, you can build with me. 1, 2. What comes next? That's easy, right? 3. Raise your hand if you're 3. Oh, I think most of you are, right? 3. Good job. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. And then what about this one? 4. Very good. So we're going to build 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what comes next? 5. Very good. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you're building a tower with Miss Victoria, it should look like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes next? What's this one? 6. Very good. It's a little tricky because if you turn it upside down, it becomes a 9. But we are doing 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the last one we looked at, what was this? A 7. Very good. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, what comes next, friends? Let's clap it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very nice. We are going to be looking at the number 8 today. This is our 8. So let's build 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's getting so big it's breaking. Oh my goodness. 7, 8. Okay, so does your tower have 8 too? Awesome. Okay, let's get our pen and our paper and let's practice writing the number 8. So we're going to get, Miss Victoria's going to use her black marker. Okay, and if you can copy along with me. So if you have your pen or your paper, and if you don't have a pen and paper, let's just do it with our fingers, okay? So you can practice writing in the air, or you can practice writing on your table, okay? So the 8, we start at the top, and we come around, and up. Miss Victoria does not have very good handwriting, friends. That looks like a funny 8, right? Let's try that again. So we'll start at the top, so we're going to start with an S, right? So remember your letters. You go around and around like a snake for your S. And then you keep going. You come up and back around. And that's your 8. Let's try that one more time. So on your paper, you can do it too, or with your finger. Ready? So first you do your S. So that's good practice for your S as well. S, and then back around and up. Very nice. So that's your 8. So let's try stomping 8 now. You ready? Get those stomping feet out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. All right. And then if we're using our fingers to count, we have how many fingers on one hand? Do you remember? High 5. That's right, 5. And then to make the 8, we would need 3 more. So let's practice counting with our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 3 make 8. Great job, friends. All right, so Miss Victoria sent home a packet for you guys. So if you have it, and I wanted to go through it with you so we can practice together, and then when you're with whoever's looking after you at home, you can work on it on your own. But I wanted to show it to you first, and we could do it together, okay? So this is our counting farm animals, because you remember we're talking about farm animals this week. Okay, so then first we want to look at the number. What's this number we have here? 5. Very good. We're going to trace the number 5 with our finger first. So if you have these at home, you can follow along. You can trace the number 5 first. Okay, and then it wants you to count and color the correct number of animals in each row. So who's this in our first row right here? What animal is that? A sheep. Good job. And what does a sheep say? Ba. Very good. So we want to count 5. Remember we looked at the number 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what color is sheep normally? They're usually white with black legs, but you can color them any color you want. They could be silly green sheep or blue sheep, but I just want you to count 5 and color 5. So 1 won't be colored at all, right? How many sheep are in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but we just need to color 5 of them, okay? And then once you've done that, you're going to move to the next line. This one's a big number. Have we looked at that yet? A 1 and a 0. Does anyone remember what that is? A 1 and a 0? 10. Very good. So we're going to count 10 little chicks, and then you're going to color them, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's 11 chicks, but we just want to color 10 of them, okay? So first count with your finger and then color them in, okay? What's our next number? We did that last, right? Our 7. So we're gonna, and what is this animal? A kitty cat. Very good. And what does a cat say? Meow. Very good. So we're gonna count, we're gonna trace the 7, then count the kitty cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's actually 7 in this row. So you're gonna color all of those kitty cats, okay? What's our next number? We know that one, right? You're all 3. So we're gonna, and what is this animal here? A piggy. Very good. And what color are pigs usually? Pink, right? So if you want to, you can color them pink, or you can color them any color you want. So let's count the piggies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5, but I just want you to color 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, okay? And then what is this? This is our number of the day. 8. Very good. 8. That's how you drew it, right? The round 2 circles on top of each other. So we're going to count. And what is this? A duck. Very good. Let's count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 in this row too. So you can color all of these, okay? Any color you want. Great job, friends. Okay, so that's your first worksheet. Okay, and then next, you're going to have one that looks like this. Okay, so in this one, you look in each box and you have to look at the numbers and you have to color the right number. So first you would count the cows. You see the cows? We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you see here there's a number 3, a number 4, and a number 5. So I want you to color the number 4 because there were 4 cows. Okay, let's do one more of these. So what is this, friends? A horse. Very good. How many horses are there? 1. That's right. So then you would find, is this a 1? Or is this a 1? Or is this a 1? The straight down, right, is a 1. So then you would color number 1. We don't color the 2 or the 3 because it's just 1 horse. Okay? And then I want you to do the rest of this by yourself. Now you get the idea, right? So you're going to count how many piggies? 1, 2. Color the 2. Okay? Great job, friends. All right, our last one is shapes. So for this, I want you to get your pen or your crayon or your pencil, and I want you to stay as close to those dotted lines as you can as we do each shape. Should we practice our shapes? What is this one? A circle. Very good. So you're going to stay on that line and trace your circle. Okay, what about this one, friends? A triangle. Very nice. So trace the triangle. And you can practice with your finger too first, okay? And then what about this one? A square. Very good. So that's a square, and then you're going to trace your square, and then you can color the rest of the picture in, okay? And this is our farm with our cow and our pig, because we're on the farm learning all about the farm and farm animals this week. Great job, friends. Okay, I don't know if you can see on Miss Victoria's board, but who's around my board? All the farm animals, right? So let's count 8. We need to get 8 animals to our farm. I think we have more. Do you see my farm up here? All right, so which animals should we pick to go on our farm? I think the cow, right? He makes milk. So let's put our cow in the farm. 1. Who else should go on our farm? Maybe a doggy? Dogs can live on farms. So 2. All right, what about our pig? Let's do our pig on the farm. 3. Who else wants to live on our farm? Who's this? A horse. Very nice. Let's move our horse to our farm. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need 4 more to make 8. So let's get our chicken. He wants to live on our farm. And what's this? Meow. Our cat. He's going to live on our farm too. Who else wants to be on our farm? What do you think, friends? What about a sheep? Sheeps live on farms. How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many more do we need to make 8? 1. Very good. Let's pick our goat. Goats live on farms, right? A goat. So now we have, how many animals do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we added 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have our number 8. Great job, friends. All right, that's it for today. I want you to keep practice your counting. Go around your house and see what you have 8 of. Okay? And maybe you can practice drawing your farm animals and draw 8 farm animals on a piece of paper. You can pick any animals you want. Okay? That was so great today. Well done counting, friends. And I will see you again soon. Bye for now.